Alright guys, we want to log in those details into our Mt4 so that we can trade it. Okay, so I'm opening it now. I'm opening Mt4. Okay, when we did it, it was like this, right? It was like this. So what you are going to do now, just scroll. Is it scroll now? Just drag on your phone, just drag it forward like this. Okay, then just tap here, just tap up. Okay, then you will see a plus sign on top. Click on this plus sign. You will see open a demo account or log into an existing account. So we'll choose log into an existing account because we already created something, right? When we were doing our registration, you created a password and they also gave you a trading account number. So when you open your own, it will not look like this because I've already been doing some things here. So just go to find broker because you will not see it. You need to search it before you see your own. So just go to find broker, type Exness. Exness, it will bring it. You see it has refreshed. You see it will be bringing it. So what is the name of the server you saw? So it was Exness dash real 10, I be real 20 or so. Can't remember. Let me see if I can, if it's still there. Exness real 10. Okay, look at it, the Exness real 10. So just keep going until you see stop the Exness trial 10, not real. Exness trial 10. Look at Exness trial 10. Just tap it. Then log in. Remember that number we copied. You paste it. That's 7118 whatever. Then put your password. And put the password. So sign in. When you sign it, you will see that $100 that you choose. You see, this is the $100 that you chose. And look at your guy name. Your nickname is Dollar Gang. That's Dollar Gang there. So Dollar Gang, $100. So just tap on some of this below. You see, this is the way Exness chart default will look like. Okay, all these pairs now, they are not working like this, so you can just go and delete all of them. So just click on this pencil sign. You see this trash can, just click it, then just tick all of them, then click on it and delete it again, right? So you only have Euro JPY. Remember, this is a pair, so you can add more pair by clicking the plus sign. Go to Forex group. So you see all the pairs there. For example, this is Euro USD, AUD USD. Just tap it. It is there. Just look for all the major pairs, the ones that have USD. The one that have USD. Just be picking them. See Euro USD. Tap it. See GBP USD. Tap it. Just pick the major ones first. And see NZD USD. Tap it. So you keep looking. This USD card, tap it. See USD CHF, tap it. See USD JPY, tap it. I think we're done. So just go back. Now see the pairs now. You see? So if you tap on any pair, you will see new order. You will see. Don't worry, we'll get there. Okay. So this is how you add the pairs. So here you see the chart. Okay, don't worry, my chart is looking like this. In our next class, I will remove everything and then show everything. Okay, so look at your balance, your equity and your free margin is $100. All right, this place, when you trade, this is where all your history will be. Everything you have done will be here. This one is some news. Okay, you don't need that. Okay.